In this video, I am going to show you how to disable Erase iPhone after failed password. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down for a bit until you find Face ID and the passcode. Just get into it. On that step, you have to enter your current passcode to get access to that options, and now here just scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find erase data feature. If this feature is enabled, it will erase all data on this iPhone after 10 failed passcode attempts. So if your kid is playing with your device and keep entering your passcode, at 10 attempt it will remove all your iPhone's data. So you can easily hit at that switcher to toggle this feature off, but keep in mind that if someone get access to your device, they can keep entering your passcode and probably get access to your device. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.